Are reimbursements really tax-free? Many believe that if a client pays you back, it isn't taxable. But the truth is, the pure agent doctrine shows reimbursements are more than just tax planning, the misunderstood world of reimbursements. Most business owners see reimbursements as harmless pass-throughs, but a wrongly structured claim can inflate GST liability, trigger income tax or TDS disputes, and even attract scrutiny under the Benami Act, PMLA, or FEMA. The legal core. What is a pure agent? Under GST Rule 33, you are a pure agent only when 4 conditions are met. You act on explicit client authorization, hold no personal benefit in goods or services, charge only actual costs without markup, and show reimbursements separately on the invoice. Miss even one condition and the reimbursement can be treated as taxable income. Cross-law implications. One doctrine, many laws. This concept goes beyond GST. Under income tax, genuine reimbursements are not income and no TDS applies. Under the Benami Act, fiduciary exceptions protect true agency arrangements. PMLA turns professionals into reporting entities with KYC and compliance duties. And under FEMA, cross-border reimbursements carry heavy penalties if not structured properly. One principle, many different laws, many different outcomes. The business risk, why it matters. Now, even a small invoicing lapse can inflate turnover, create unexpected TDS liability, or weaken fiduciary protection. Under PMLA, professionals such as chartered accountants and lawyers now carry statutory reporting duties where client confidentiality is limited by law. Strategic takeaway for businesses. The pure agent doctrine is not just about tax savings, it's about maintaining financial integrity. To stay compliant, businesses must draft agency clauses with precision, maintain back-to-back invoices in the client's name, ensure clear fund flow trails, and align obligations across GST, income tax, Benami, PMLA, and FEMA. Looking ahead, the digital compliance era. As regulators integrate GSTN, CBDT FIU, and RBI systems, the pure agent doctrine may soon be validated digitally in real time. AI-driven checks could ensure that reimbursements are truly tax-neutral and not disguised transactions. In the future, strong documentation won't just be good practice, it will be survival. Stay informed, stay compliant.